everyone. My name is Daniel B. Basagli and I am Miss Lorin 3 Alpha. And today, I will explain to you the parts and functions of four-wheel vehicle. So let's start with the external parts. So first is the headlight. And the second is the hood. So this is the hood.
This is the side mirror. Tail light.
So next, I will introduce to you the internal parts. So this is the car wheel. This is the horn, and this is the air ventilation and manual gear shift. And this is the accelerator. This is the brake, and this is the clutch. Okay. So this is the rear view mirror, and this is the handbrake, and this is the seat